Hey guys, welcome back. I have a project share, and this is a Memorydex card for my swap partner for our Wacky Wednesday Junk Journal Swap 2021. So this is what I created for my partner. This is all from scratch, guys. I don't have a Memorydex maker. I just used a 4x4 inch square, and I've shared this on my Instagram. And I made the measurements into the center and punched out the holes. And that's easily adjusted once the recipient gets it. They can always add a piece of cardstock here and repunch the holes if it doesn't fit. So I used a digital kit to create the project for my swap partner. And I will try to share the link down below for the digital kit that I used. And then a lot of the things that I have are just from my stash. So this little snail mail die cut is from Coco and Reno for their July die set subscription, which I am subscribed to. And I just put it here on the bottom. This little mailbox I created with my own pattern. So these are the pattern pieces that I created. And I could do a DIY if you guys are interested in this little mailbox. I also made the little flag here. I used a grommet and this little bow. All the flowers here from my stash. And I just added it to the top. So my swap partner likes shabby chic, and to me shabby chic is like inking the edges and lots of flowers and lace and you know, vintagey, not exactly vintage, but a lot of floral style. Anyway, so my mailbox opens, and I used my little magnets that I hauled from Amazon. And this was through Rosa Kelly's Amazon storefront. These are her favorite magnets that she uses. They're extra tiny. And I made a little flap here and a little flap here. And then I added an extra magnet right on the inside so that they can attach. And then I added one of the envelopes from the die set from Coco and Reno. So everything on this paper is from the Coco and Reno dice subscription. This little floral envelope here. You can see the outline, that die cut. And then the envelope itself is a die, and everybody I think has seen it. This little stamp here is a die from the same set. And then I just took a little piece of scrap paper and cut it to size and added this little Happy Mail die cut to the front. And then it's double-sided because this is the digital kit, and you can select what you want on the front and the back. And here you can see I just tucked the front underneath the stamp since I didn't glue it all the way down. But you guys, this little mailbox is so easy, super simple construction. I just made sure I cleaned up the edges a little bit. I put a scrap piece here to cover the inside and glued it right to my Memorydex card. And then I built my floral arrangement on top of my mailbox. Super, super easy. And then this little border edge is a Martha Stewart edge punch. And then I just added my little label on the back right there because my recipient already knows my information. And yeah, there you go. There you have it. And I hope you enjoyed this little project share. If you're interested in a DIY for this itty bitty mailbox, Memorydex mailbox, just drop me a message and I can work on the details for you. But it is super, super simple. All right, guys. Well, thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and follow us so that, or follow me, so you can see everything else that we are up to. Don't forget the participants in the swap. Please go ahead and if you're sharing your videos, use the hashtag Wacky Wednesday JJSwap21. All right, and then tag Louisa and I, who is My Crafty Boutique here on YouTube, and Kitty Scrap Post 37 on Instagram. And for my information, it's all Eileen Payne, Instagram and YouTube. All right, guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.